Hey there, my name is Ansley, and this is my second semester at Brenau. I have loved all of the classes that I've taken so far, and I look forward to learning a lot more in this one. I don't have a vast knowledge of technology, even though I kind of grew up with it, but I'm really excited to learn a lot more throughout this class. One of the websites that I chose to talk about today is the TED.com. I know that probably most, if not all of us, have heard of TED Talks or watched several. I know throughout my whole college career, with 2.5 of my degrees, this being the half, that I watched probably several hours of TED Talks, both related to school as well as just personal interests. Um, I like this website because you can also set up events or organize them, learn about the TEDx program, but you can also search through certain videos. So when you click on Explore the TEDx library, it takes you to YouTube. And I have watched a number of these that are all about education, especially in another class that I'm taking right now that is all about bias in education. I love watching these videos. I feel like I learned so much about education and about people and the way that we think, and there are all these different ones. So you can look at the shorter videos. There are ones that are in Spanish, lots of different languages, and you can search through and try to find topics that interest you. So I just feel like this is a really good tool to have, and it's a way that we can continue to be lifelong learners. Thank you.